how to set approval policy in Codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can set the approval policy in your Codex desktop application. So the first thing that you will need to do after launching your Codex desktop is simply follow these simple steps. First, you will need to go to the settings of your Codex application. That you can do so by clicking onto the settings button and then again clicking on settings, or alternatively you can also choose to press the control and the comma buttons. Now once you are inside the settings, go to the configuration tab, and within the configuration tab under the custom config.toml settings, you can see this approval policy right here. Using this, you can choose when Codex asks for approval. So simply click onto this drop down option, and from here you have these four options. The first one is the untrusted, where the Codex always asks before taking action. Then we have the on failure, where Codex asks only when a command fails. Then we have on request, which is also the default option, where Codex asks when escalation is requested. And then we have this never option, using which Codex runs without asking for approval. This is also the most riskiest among all of them. So you can choose the one according that satisfies your need. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.